cook for a good 10 minutes or so. Doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to add some broth to this, and it's going to finish cooking. But you know, you have to cut your onion kind of small. That way, you know, it'll cook faster. You won't have big chunks. Now, I do have a few chunks in there, but most of it's cut small. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add our pasta. I picked rotini. The recipe did not specify. So as long as it's a little short pasta and rotini, they do not take long to cook. So I figured that would be good. 4 cups of chicken broth. We got that. See, all your stuff's going to cook really, really good and even. Alright, now there's heavy cream and milk in this. But the recipe says, and you'll see it if you follow the link, that you can mix that up however you want to. All heavy cream, all milk, or you can do half and half. So I'm going to do all milk. So it's going to take 1 cup of milk, and it says to go ahead and add it, so I'm doing what it says. And we need a half a cup of Parm, and I always use real Parm cheese. I do not use spaghetti cheese like some people. That's fine, whatever. I just prefer a more authentic taste. Okay, and I'm going to put in a tablespoon. It says 1 to 2 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning, and I don't want it too hot. So, and I don't know how this is slash your, I'm sorry. This is called Slap Ya Mama Cajun seasoning. So I don't know. It smells very spicy, so I just put 1 tablespoon in, but you can put 2. Okay, so now take my fork and kind of just stir things up. Alright, now what you're going to do after you stir it up a little bit, you are going to bring to a boil, and I'm on probably high heat. I'm not on medium heat, more like a medium high heat. And then after it boils, you need to cover it and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Okay, so this is all finished. I had to let it cook a little bit longer so that it would absorb the moisture. And I did add just a little bit more of the Cajun seasoning. And you could probably put a little bit of salt in it as well. Just a little bit. Okay, make sure you like and subscribe. See you next time.